All right, everybody, it's Carrie Ann Hamilton here from the Fitness Girl, and I am making bone broth today. I already got my crock pot here going. My dad calls this the white man's oven. So I'm going to be making this bone broth really in order to help curb my terrible coffee habit that I have in the morning after my fast. So I'm going to attempt this week to see if I can get away with having bone broth instead of the coffee. I think it's just a habit thing. It's not really because I love coffee. It's just I've gotten into the habit of having coffee. So bone broth is amazing. It's an immunity booster. The trick with bone broth that most people don't know is that you have to add vinegar in it, and it's the vinegar that helps break down the bones so that you get all the minerals and nutrients. And I had these bones, I got them from my butcher. It's beef bones. I had them roasting in the oven prior. I like the smoky kind of richness of it when it's already kind of baked or broiled or whatever a little bit, as opposed to just tossing it in the pot with water. So I got some onions in there, some carrots, some garlic. If you have some kind of digestive issues like leaky gut or something, it's usually not recommended to put the onions and the garlic. But I don't have any of those issues, so I went ahead and put them in. I love the flavor that it brings. And I'm just gonna cover all of that up. I had them in the oven for maybe about 20 minutes at about 450, and that was with the garlic, with the onions, all roasting. You wanna cover these bones as much as possible, so I'll probably need to put some more water. And I'm gonna add my apple cider vinegar. I'm using Bragg's again. It's like organic, it's with the mother, so I'm not using the stuff that you just get from the grocery store. It's about a tablespoon. So, and I hate measuring, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dump that in there. And I also like to put cilantro as an aromatic. I know a lot of people don't like it. You don't have to do it. A lot of people put celery and all kinds of other stuff, but I like it with the cilantro. So there it is. I'm gonna keep that covered. I'm gonna add some more water. This is gonna be going for about 24 to 48 hours. I have it on low, on this low setting here. And obviously it's not something that you want to leave unattended if you're going to put it on the stove top. So that's why I'm doing it in my crock pot, so it doesn't take up my whole weekend, and just finish that all up. And yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions below, and I'll give you guys an update next week and see how my little coffee addiction panned out by having bone broth instead. All right, cheers.